Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time! It is time for the Lightning Round. What's about Rock Fargo's one and then the Lightning Round is over. Are you ready? Ski Dad, the Lightning Round. Let's start with Mathieu in Arkansas. Mathieu.
Hey, Jim, it's Matthew calling in from Arkansas. First time, long time. Just wanted to give you a big shout out.
Thank you.
Over the past 4 years as a millennial investor, your suggestions in Twilio, Teladoc, and Tesla have taken my retirement account to new levels.
Well, there you go. I mean, you can retire and go to South Sea Islands now. I mean, that's pretty good. No, thank you. Younger people like the show, which I love, because I actually share in their joy of making money, not just preserving it. Let's go to work.
Yes, I got a long outlook, Jim. The new announcement from the Fed this afternoon has me excited. What are your thoughts on Wells Fargo?
I believe in Charlie Scharf. I liked him at Visa. I think he's a real smart guy. He had to replace a lot of people before to be able to get that thing underway, but now it is going. And don't forget, they may not have the capital of the other guy. Well, actually, they're overcapitalized. Let's hope they're allowed to do their buyback. But capital's also JP Morgan. That's a good one. Let's go to Sofia in Florida. Sofia!
Hi, Jim. I have my daughter who wants to ask you a question.
I like that.
Booyah!
Look at that. Will you listen to that? How do we go to work together?
Booyah! Jim,
That kid's got horse sense.
This is Sophia from Tampa, Florida. I'm 12 years old. I have two things. First, my grandmother thinks you're hot. Second, my dad...
Never too late. Let me tell you something.
Did he buy MasTec's MTZ?
I'm sorry, I forgot the stock. I was focused on something else. Okay, Sophia, listen to me. MasTec's a winner. I like infrastructure plays, and that's certainly one of them. We got a lot of infrastructure problems. And, you tell your grandma, I'm spoken for. Let's go to Matthew in Tennessee, please. Matthew.
Booyah, Jimmy Chill. How you doing?
The chill man in the house, just trashing everybody, including some clown by the name of Bogart. What's up?
All right. Well, I'm coming at you. I'm thinking... with all the infrastructure bills coming from governments around the world to get people back to work, even though we've seen the stock nearly double since its March lows, do you think Caterpillar is still a buy?
No, I'm with you. Look, there's very few industrials, so this one can go to 200. Management's been buying back stock. These are smarter guys. I actually like Deere more than Cat, if you want to know the truth. Let's go to Garry in Ohio. Gary.
Happy holidays, Jim, from the great state of Ohio. Go Bucks.
Well, I love the Bucks. Hey, actually, I had Kareem Honey. Got me like 30 the other day, but it didn't matter. It was too late.
Yes.
What's up?
Jim, I'm calling today about VDLR. It dropped today. Is it a buy or
I
a
like
sell?
it. Yeah, I mean, look, unfortunately, there's so many in that same space. I like that one. I like this. I like this. Yeah, I like that one. I like Lidar, too. Let's get, there was one that just really fell apart, and it was hard to understand. Let's go to Steve in California, please. Steve.
Hi, Jim. Thanks for having me on the show.
Of course.
Calling from Broma, California. My question for you is about a stock that seems to be flying stealth and not trending since March. I'm talking about Tupperware.
Yeah, somehow that stock got to like the mid-single digits. I had no idea why. Things were okay. It's a play on empowerment by people. Now, that said, I have decided that this thing's too hard to own. If I bought it at the lower level, I would be thinking, Dave from my home state of Pennsylvania. Dave.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah, Dave.
First-time caller, long-time listener, and rock-solid Eagles fan. Go Eagles.
Hey, man, we got a big game this weekend. They're all big.
That's right.
Go ahead. It's hurting.
My stock is Freeport-McMoran.
Freeport look, it's the purest copper play in the world, and some gold. Copper's going up. There is remember, my thesis is that when we get the vaccine, it's going to be a worldwide boom. So I would hold on to that, even though it's already doubled. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.